Bore da. It's Wednesday, 28th September, and thank you for sending in your messages and videos. Who would have imagined even just 2 days ago that any of this could possibly happen? But here we are, and now people in 2052 know we can hear them. But it's more than just messages coming back through time. There's a young girl, a teenager. You'll see in the clips, she was there in Swansea the night of the electrical storm. She knows about 2052. She seems to have informed, lived experience of the future. I can't pretend to understand how it's happened, but she is from the future. Her name is Eva. I'll be back with more soon. Gwyliwch and ofalus.